Hi, this video, I'm going to show some browsers and how you can basically, access the, if you have Suddenlink, you can't exactly use, the, Nick.com properly. Let me show you. I need to get Safari prepared. Alright, it's loading Nick.com. I don't really use this website very much, but look at this. As you can tell, so I'm fixing it there. It says that as every ad, so it's kind of ad free if you think about it. It's pretty cool, but well, I haven't tried this yet. I'm just trying to watch a clip. It might work. Yes, it does work. But a full episode, let's just try this. Hit play. It will bring this up. Suddenlink is drop 24. Your, for me, not so favorite channels. I don't really watch a lot of Viacom channels, and yeah, I don't even really watch Nickelodeon very much, and we don't get Nickelodeon. We at Viacom understand your frustration and have made every effort to reach a distribution agreement. Call Suddenlink now, they say 794-2724, and tell them to return your favorite channels or switch players. Visit keepviacom.com for more information. I think this is net neutrality, which is against the law. But I guess they've been able to do this for the past year now, so I guess it's not technically net neutrality. Oh great, what's it doing? Oh, log into a provider. Not, Suddenlink won't show up. But I'm going to show you how, if you're into this stuff, how to watch Nick.com's free full episodes. If you have Suddenlink, or I guess if another provider has this as well. You need to download, a streaming-based, a full stream-based Flash browser. The one, here's one I know of, it's called Photon. And what it does is it streams the entire web page. Now let me give you an example of one that doesn't stream the entire web page. This one here only streams Flash content. And this will not work. So I have something open. Okay. Just work. I want to use the same thing as an example. So we will go to this page. You can tell this ain't gonna work already, probably. And we're going to click on this. This will not work either. It only streams Flash content, and I guess it sends the company a thing to tell you, the whole Suddenlink information bit. So this will not work. It only streams Flash content. And let's say if you try to go to, by the way, this is the first video on this channel with my voice. If you try and go to what this browser is helpful for, though, is... Hang on a second. I need to plug my camera. It is helpful for, on the other hand, to play these Papa Louie games. These are little online games that you can play, and they like some of these have apps, but they cost money. The only advantage of the apps technically is that you can play offline. With this is what this is helpful for. You can play the Flash games. Skip ahead, playing full screen. You can play these in full screen. This will also work with the Photon browser, but like you can't do it like this, like taking up the whole screen properly. Alright, so that's that. Although here's a funny thing that I have found. Ookla speed test. This is pretty funny. It's absolutely hilarious. That much is what you get on Ookla speed test with this. Some things, some Flash content won't even work though. For example, I want to see what the upload is. Alright, that's bits per second. Oh, it's megabits per second, I guess. Yeah. The only places that have anything like this with speed on Suddenlink is like somewhere in North Carolina, like 3 cities, nowhere around here. So there's that. There is the Puffin browser. Interesting name. Let's move on to the browser that does work. Photon. Cover this up because I don't know what's up here. Alright, you need to let's just go to Google first. As an example. Now, opening the app directly does not enable Flash. This is basically just fancy Safari, I guess. You need to enable Flash by hitting this lightning bolt thing. It will connect you to a stream. And here we are. Now, this will work. Alright, let's go to the website. This browser costs $49.99, but the Puffin browser is free. But this, you can basically do about anything Flash-based with, literally. So, this should work. But about any Flash-based content, the Puffin browser is a little different. I guess it can like detect if you have, if you're on a mobile device or not. So, let's try this. Will it work? Let's turn this down quite a bit. So turn up a little. Alright, probably not supposed to display this on YouTube. So I'm going to cover this up. Because this is a Nintendo and I don't want to get exactly. I don't want any of this to be monetized, even though Viacom won. Probably monetize or even give me a strike or block any states anyway. Because they are best strict with copyright, but this is basically only going to display 2 seconds of Viacom content. As you can see, the ads are properly playing. Cover that back up. So this doesn't get striked. It ain't exactly the smoothest thing in the world, as you can see, but it's functional. So if you really want to do this, you can. Alright, let's just show that this is working. Let's see how it works. So a bit laggy and not the best picture, but it works. And turn the camera away. Zoom in or something so this don't get monetized. I don't want ads to be on this. And we are not displaying a full episode because I don't want anything to happen with this thing. Alright, get it off that so this don't get striked. You know probably well now. Or blocked in this country. So, that is how